Pi kalong kay jingja ka paskosi man me. Hadin ba kajia kajingya Bob Yesutu jemut apdeng kinong penya jong ka GTC hangte apo kaban le katuga approach route kaban le po mau sebut. But ki drivers but ki pajba ki bayar lembah ki basa station mau sebut. Te kajia katuga jingin sa kolong ka ba skosi jia ke te ngila ai instruction ya district administration DC la lagi daladi ki magistrate la lagi daladi te mener ka bang skotrat pada tu pi la khot meeting deputy commissioner la khot meeting mener jointly ka bawan lang na ka borsnong bawan lang na po kinong penya jong kataga GTC jong ki sipai rengkat bat DC te rengkat bat kini ki seng halang lu kiladon ka meeting mener po DC office te ka ba skotrat pelomba haka ta meeting kila resolve ya kena issues temporary kila resolve ya kena issues nang ta haga juga por ya katu ka bajia ka jiman sa dengan tairu tengila ong ya IDC by in constitute ya ka kanja inquiry committee kapan head da ki ADM when ki ADM nak tay apo DC office ban go through YKK bro ko kitu jinjia ki balajia tenang ta very soon next steps IDC in salej lu ban lek biang da joint inspection haka bakinya Shonglang biang bat kini ke authority na ke GTC kini Shonglang kini perkat ke ke babahatam banle nang ni sikmat kita makan don syukum kini ke jajing dia hadena bu dengan kerpat ya ki seng balang kerpat ya ki nok shong snong sate syaka area mau sebut ba kanika inisiatif ba nakalen government nisim ba kan long ka balok positif ban ngangit scan bakan jia syuk kanika kai but ngidang don gijing perkat na government ya bentangi island aga district administration bakin le kakam den rei lada idon kap na kalian government le se haka level jong chief minister na haka level jong akum du sa ngila ru ban khot ya kanika kenja meeting ka bangin ya syong ngin ya walk out across the table kenapa kanum don syuk kumo bi kum kanika jingjia ka diskusi kum ka bagcia menit. And that has happened last night. I think let us and because we from the government we already entrusted to district administration and DC she is on the job. First round meeting she already had today along with the stakeholders. She already had a meeting and then the issue was also resolved temporarily. But as I said to you, the next steps, the DC will again go physical inspection over there, calling all the stakeholders jointly. They will work out what is the permanent solution for that approach road which goes via the GTC campus. And in case if she feels she cannot resolve the issue permanently, then she will again write to the government and government will take a call on this. Maybe in the level of chief minister or myself, we can even have another meeting across the table with the concerned authority, GTC concerned authority, and if need be, even with the defense ministry. Please give us the details, the report to the government, and then government will take a call on this accordingly. Now the second steps, she already informed the government that she will again have a joint physical inspection. Okay, joint physical inspection. The next phase, joint physical inspection, and then let this completed. Let this duty of the DC be completed, and as I said to you, then if need be, government will take a call accordingly.